So Retail VR creates merchandising simulations, product staging, and e-commerce solutions for the retail community. Their virtual and augmented reality platform provides customers with the ability to be immersed in a real shop environment, fully integrated with major CMS systems. Now, for fun facts, I almost always require them to be about the presenter. I want you guys to really get to know these presenters in a fun way, but Retail VR has a fantastically fun fact about their company. So they said that they launched Retail VR on the same day as the launch of the movie Ready Player, one of Spielberg's films in 2018. As an ode to their love of Spielberg movies, the Retail VR team often hides Easter eggs in their virtual showrooms and shopping metaverses. Nobody else knows except their technical team what these Easter eggs are. And it is believed that if you find one, it's 100 years of good luck. So check out their retail stores, see if you can find the Spielberg Ready Player One Easter eggs, and we'll go from there. Thank you for sharing.
Thank you,
that,
Carly. Thank you, Carly. And today we're going to show you the Easter eggs. So
oh, great!
Yeah.
We all get 100 years of good luck. Awesome. So, I'll let you take it over.
Thank you very much. Yeah, Albon. Sorry. Yes. Thank you very much for giving us the opportunity to present Retail VR during this Space Jam. So Retail VR, today we define ourselves as the first SaaS 3D solution platform that addresses the entire retail value chain. We are working with different departments in the retail industry, department like marketing department, merchandising department, sales department, or e-commerce department. Today, what we want to focus on is the e-commerce part of offer. What is the context today? Today, we have customers that are willing to have a 3D experience. We said that 60% of consumers who shop online are more likely to buy product presented in 3D or augmented reality. And today, we define ourselves more than the online store. We want to bring value to our customers. So let's go to the demo because we have only 5 minutes. So I'm going to switch to the demo. Oops, if I manage to, yes. So Albon, I'll leave you the
So let's jump into the real stores, virtual stores. And as you can see, there is a lot of features in that. You have TV screens where you can display videos. Look at that one. On the table, there is 3D models. That's one of the features that we can have. Also nice features. When you look back to the glasses, Erwan, look back to the glasses, we can customize the matter tags. Instead of having the blue spots or the red spots, you can have actually the logo of your customers. That was a nice one too. There is a carousel of products that you can display. There is a nice feature that I love too, is a shape point of interest. Instead of having a lot of matter tags, in that one, you can design the whole things, and the whole thing you will make a carousel of products appears in it. Inside the product sheet, after that, you have link to the social media. You can obviously add to the basket. You have photos. Okay, nice.
So the 3D object here?
Yes, we have 3D objects. For instance, the colonne Buren objects on which we set up a bag, a Zadig and Voltaire bag, and you have that kind of bag also in 3D model itself. So you can easily manipulate one. Let's have a look on the cheminée. There is also bags over there, and there is that one bag that you can manipulate in 3D. You can even go into the bag, which is pretty cool when you want to know if there is a lot of space in it or not. You can add to the basket. We are fully connected to Shopify, Magento, WooCommerce, Google Pay, fully API. You can have music. What else? A nice feature also, you can use augmented reality inside that kind of store. You click on the items and you have a QR code that appears, and you can actually scan the QR code and have the real bag at home, which is pretty cool when you want to develop business. Two things. If you want to try this, we give you that for a few seconds, so be sharp.
Take your phone and try to flash the QR code.
Okay. That goes really fast, 5 minutes, isn't it? And after that, you can just one thing shows an eggs. That one for that presentation. That's metaverse, NFT. That egg actually is an NFT that you can buy on OpenSea. So we merge all the technologies, which mean that if you have your MetaMask wallet connected to OpenSea, you can actually make an offer. Do that, everyone. Make an offer to that. Really nice. And finally, to bring real big value to your customers, you can jump into metaverse experience directly from that virtual commerce experience. And there you are, for instance, in other nice looking shop where you can have also much more experiences. We have 30 seconds left.
Something important is that you can connect with any e-commerce platform. Today we are connected with Shopify, Magento, PrestaShop, WooCommerce, and with a specific B2B e-commerce platform like Elastic for the B2B order. We manage the organization team, user groups, shops. We have an analytic tools where we can have all information about the experience, how many time they spent, what product they took. We are managing all the object information like product, for example. So we have this product catalog that is imported directly from Shopify, Magento, and that can be used in the e-commerce experience. And we manage also, like you've seen, TV screen, all the decoration that you are going to use in your showroom can be defined in this what we call features here. The last feature is that, as we told you, we have a patented technology that helps you to create 3D object using a photo. So we have a converter, a 2D converter, which is a patented technology where you can import a 2D photo and transform this 2D photo into a 3D object that can be used in your showroom. This is what we've done with the product, with the eggs that we have used here.
Great. Thank you guys so much. That was an extra 30 seconds time well used. I let you have it only because you showed us that Easter egg, which like I mentioned before, now we all have 100 years of the book. Appreciate the presentation. So it sounds like right towards the end, you covered the questions that I had. A shop can provide you with a 2D photo, and then you really, your technology can build that onto a 3D rendering of that product.
Yeah, we managed to convert 2D to 3D for products. So we're taking the product, and today we can digitalize about 80% of supermarket, because we know how to convert this shape that we are finding in the supermarket into 3D. So this is an automatic. We are working with Nestle. We are working with Lindt, with some very big companies, and we are managing all their product catalog in 3D using these technologies. And we are doing the same for what we call the planogram, which is a virtual representation of a category of product with shelves. And this, we can also do that, taking the 2D object and converting into 3D. So you can do retail staging using the Matterport technology. So this is what you were talking at the beginning during the introduction. We have this capability of providing technology, merchandising service to our customers.
And bring value to the customers, like multiple by 10 your revenue.
Awesome. I think we have just scratched the surface here. There's lots more to be learned about retail VR. Access that contact form you see in chat to get in touch with retail VR or any of our other presenters here today. And you can learn more in probably a meeting that will last longer than 5 minutes.